Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to create blog website on Wix.com. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I'm on Wix's dashboard and here I'm going to click on this profile picture icon from the top right corner. But if you are creating a new account, the process will be same. You will understand when the screen is pop up. So here I'm going to click on create a new site. So if you create your account, you will see this exact same page. So here I'm going to write down blog and you can select what kind of blog you want to create. So let's say poetry blogger, and let's click on this next button and you can name your website. So let's name our website and then I'm going to click on next. So here you can add some features to your website. So you can add real-time chat and you can add some forms, or you can create some groups, and also you can add some music and your Instagram feed. So I'm going to skip those parts and let's uncheck this chat icon as well. So let's hit next to proceed, and here you can either start with a template or you can get a custom built site. So let's select this one. Here you can write down your email address, your real address and your phone number, and you can link your social media accounts, but I'm going to skip that part. So let's click on skip. And here you can select a theme. So this looks modern, so I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to simply click on next. And here let's select a home page for our blog. I think this one looks neat, so I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to click on next to proceed. And we can also add an about section and the contact section. So let's add a contact section, but I'm going to leave the about part for later. So let's click on edit site, and here's our blog main homepage. So you can edit it by the guidelines that I showed you in our previous video, but that's basically how to create a blog on Wix.com. So if you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.